In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive your posts on Instagram. So if you have a post that you don't want to appear on your profile for maybe a particular time, and you just want to store it somewhere else without deleting it, then archiving it is the best way to go. So for instance, I have this post and I want to archive it so that I may restore it later. Now to do so, go ahead and tap on your profile. And then from here, identify the post that you want to archive. For instance, I want to archive this post. And then tap on the three icons here. And from here, you can see now we have an option called archive. If you tap on it, it will load and then the image will disappear. So I had two similar images and now you can see I have one. So that's how you archive your posts on Instagram. So if it gets to a point where you still need this archived image back, all you need to do is again come to your profile here and then go ahead and tap on these three lines. And this will take you to all your archived accounts by using this archive option, and then select post archive as you can see here. And then you'll see here the post that we have just archived. To restore it, all you need to do is to tap on these three lines and then click on show on profile. So when we click on show on profile and confirm to show on profile, that will restore our post. So that's how you archive posts on Instagram without deleting it. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.